Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. Which is the largest and land animal on the earth? B is the right answer. What is the world's smallest mammal? B is the right answer. B is the right option. A is the right option. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The right option. Which force pulls object toward the center of the earth? A is the right option. In which year did Christopher Columbus first reach the Americas? A is the right option. Which gas makes up the majority of the Earth's atmosphere? A is the right option. What is the currency of Japan? B is the right option. Who was the first person to step on the moon? A is the right option. What is the capital of Australia? B is the right option. What is the fastest land animal? B is the right option. What is the longest river in the world? B is the right option. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected with us for more videos. Thank you.